demonstration on a pattern for zero waist trousers. We're going to start off with our piece of paper here. We've got it in two directions. We've got portrait, which is the long way, or landscape, which is the shorter side. So but we're going to hold our piece of paper portrait, long ways. We're going to fold in half. Can we stop it there for a second? And this becomes an A. We'll call this now A5 piece, folding that in half. Then we're going to fold again using the same method, and we're going to quarter it. This now becomes the size of A6. Now we've got two sides folded and two sides not folded. We're going to go to the first side that's folded down on the lower left-hand side, and we're going to measure 3.5 centimeters, sorry, across and mark it. We are then going to measure 5 centimeters along the other open side at the top left-hand side, 5 centimeters. We are then going to join those two together diagonally. Now, the next stage is, with our scissors, we're going to cut along the dotted line. There's that. And we end up with one piece, two piece, and one larger piece. This is the two pieces of your trousers. So, the main trouser, we cut across the fold line. Like that. So now we've got our pieces. We've got the front, the back, and the two inside seams. We're going to now mark these up so we know what we're doing. And this part here is the front rise, which is from the stomach down to the crotch. So it's front rise. We call this the front. Now this is going to be the back rise. And this is the back of your trouser. Now, and these pieces here are your inside, what they're called inside gussets. And this seam here and this seam here joins with this seam here and this seam here. So just to explain, this angled piece joins to the trouser. This straight piece does not. Now, we're going to now mirror them. We're going to put them on top of each other. Like that. And we're going to staple down our rises. Hopefully it'll work. Three. 1, 2, 3. Now we've got our trousers. So we've got the front of our trousers and we've got the back of our trousers. Now for easiness, because we're using paper and staples, not fabric, I'm going to flip this inside out Now we're going to flip the trousers inside out, mainly because it's easier to staple and because we're using paper for this demonstration, but you would leave it the other way if it was in fabric. And we push down our seam like that, and like that. Now we take our inside gusset and we place the angled edge to fit into the space. Now, and we staple down. And we do the same again on the other side. Now, as you can see, you've got an inside piece now for your trouser. And we turn over and we do exactly the same on the other side. Then when you put your gusset on both sides, you open out your trouser. Now we're going to staple our inside seam. Of the trouser. A little bit fiddly, but we'll get there. Now we have created our trouser. Now, bearing in mind that when we do this, we won't be doing it in paper. We will be doing it in fabric, so it'll be easily maneuvered. Now for the waistband, you can finish it in several ways. You can either add a piece on, again, by just adding a little bit more to your fabric, or you can turn the top over, like so, stitch it, and run a tie through the top. But this is your zero waist trousers. Thank you for watching this demonstration on zero waist pattern cutting. I hope this has been, I hope you've understood the instructions that I've given, and if you have any questions you'd like to ask. Thank you.